brighten your skin, reduce the redness of irritated skin, and also repair damaged skin. It's purely organic with no side effects. But take note, this only work fast on those with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this will work amazingly on your skin. It works also for those with hard skin, only if you cite some patience. If you are using it and you know you have a hard skin, you need to be patient. It will not work fast like it works for those with sensitive skin. It works gradually for those with hard skin because it's purely organic. Okay guys, these are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. I've already measured all my ingredients. I've measured my earwax and stearic acid and my oils. In here I have 50 ml of earwax and 20 ml of stearic acid. This will help to blend the oils and water together. When it comes to cream making, these two ingredients are very important, especially the earwax. The next ingredient I have here is my oils. I have my sweet almond oil and my jojoba oil. I'm using 20 ml of each of them. I have my jojoba oil. This is it. This oil has vitamin E and B, which help in skin repair and damage control. It's very good for the skin. The next ingredient I will be using is my sweet almond oil. This is it. This oil helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. It's very good for the skin also. And I'm using my glutathione powder. This is my glutathione powder I'm using. It whitens the skin. It helps improve damaged and aging skin. If you have a skin condition, it will help you in getting a clearer complexion. It's very good for the skin as well. The next ingredient I'm using for this recipe is my snow white powder. This treats acne. This powder treats acne, age spots, skin pigmentation, also whitens the skin. It's purely organic with no side effects, this snow white powder. So guys, the next ingredients we are going to be using for this our recipe is our carrot essential oil. I'm using carrot essential oil. It helps to brighten the skin. I'm also using lavender essential oil. This is it. It helps to reduce redness and acne. So guys, I'm also using rose water for my recipe. This is it. This water has anti-inflammatory property that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin, also get rid of acne. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into our cream making. Here is my mixing bowl. What I will do is I will add my stearic acid and my earwax into my mixing bowl. Then I will add my oils. And I will go and dissolve them in my double boiler. Stay tuned, I will be back. As we are dissolving our oils and our earwax and stearic acid, I want to measure out our rose water because I have to warm it before adding it on my cream. I'm taking 60 ml of this rose water. I will warm it because the oils and the water have to be on the same temperature. Also, let me measure out our whitening powders. I'm using 25 ml of my Snow White powder. And also 25 ml of my glutathione powder. So I will take some of my rose water to dissolve my powders. I will mix them together. I will dissolve this on my double boiler as well for it to melt very well. Okay guys, I'll finish dissolving our e-wax and our water. This is how it is. This is our rose water. I have to allow it to melt well. So the oils and the water are in the same temperature now. So I will add my water into my oils. As I'm adding, I will be stirring. I will mix them thoroughly until it forms cream texture, a creamy texture. So you keep stirring them until it forms a cream texture like this. I've been stirring it for about 20 minutes now. This is the result I achieved after stirring it for about 20 minutes. So I will allow it to cool very well before adding all my essential oils and my whitening powders. Stay tuned. It's now cold. I'll go ahead and add all my whitening and lightening essential oils. I will be adding 25 ml of my carrot essential oil into my mixture. And the same 25 ml of my lavender essential oil. Then I will mix them very well before I go ahead to add all my whitening powders. Okay, I'll finish mixing my essential oils together with my cream. It's time to add my melted whitening powders into my mixture. I will mix them thoroughly again. So guys, this is our Snow White facial cream. After, I will store it on my clean sanitized container Before you start your work, you make sure you sanitize all your working materials, all your equipment, to avoid bacteria growing inside your cream. I know you not want that to happen to your cream. You can add preservative if you want, but in this case, I'm not adding any preservative. If you are going to do it on your own, I will advise you to add your preservative. At least you add 2 drops of your preservative depending on the one you are using.